While the Senate quells talk of a leadership shakeup over the House of Representatives, Speaker Faustino Boji D. III is calling for unity amid growing public distrust. He's urging lawmakers and employees alike to turn every crisis into an opportunity as the chamber faces tough questions on alleged anomalies in flood control projects. Mela Lesmoras reports.
Hinahamon ko po kayong lahat. Gawin nating inspirasyon ang bawat krisis at gawin nating pagkakataon ang bawat pagsubok.
House Speaker Faustino Boji D. III urged the officials and employees of the House of Representatives to unite and work together to regain the trust of the public. This comes amid the ongoing controversy over alleged irregularities in flood control projects where several lawmakers have been implicated. According to Speaker D., the current situation in Congress is not easy, but he remains hopeful that in the end, truth will prevail.
Masakit mang tanggapin, pero ito ang katotohanan. Talagang bumaba na ang tiwala ng taong bayan sa ating institusyon. Pero ito rin ay paalala na mas kailangan nating pagbutihin ang ating trabaho at ibalik ang tiwalang iyon sa pamamagitan ng tapat na paglilingkod.
Other lawmakers also shared their own suggestions on how to restore public trust, not only in the House but in the entire government.
Kailangan matugunan ang mga binabato ng tungkol sa budget, tungkol sa flood control. Kailangan maging mabilis ang resolution ng mga investigasyong ito.
Para maibalik ang tiwala ng taong bayan at para malaman nila nakakampi nila ang Senado at Kongreso, ipasa sa lalong madaling panahon ang wage hike. Tapos pangalawa, kinakailangan sa lalong madaling panahon, tiyakin natin na maging bukas yung bicameral process nitong budget.
Paano natin maibabalik yan? Unang-una, ipakita ng buong pamahalaan na seryoso tayo dito sa issue ng korupsyon na talagang may mananagot.
Members of the media interviewed several lawmakers during the election of new officers of the Party List Coalition Foundation Incorporated or PCFI. House Minority Leader and 4-piece Party List Representative Marcelino Libanan was elected as the new PCFI chair, while TGP Party List Representative Bong Teves was chosen as the new PCFI president.
As a newly elected party list president, tulad ng sinabi ko ay magbumalik tayo sa basic. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga congressman, party list representative, bumalik tayo kung saan tayo sektor na nagre-represent. Pakita natin sa kanila na talagang pinili nila kami dahil karapat-dapat kami. Pakita namin na ang tamang aming ginagawa.
For now, Speaker D said one of the House's top priorities remains the passage of the proposed 2026 national budget. Within this week, the budget proposal is expected to be approved on second reading, and it is set for third and final reading on Monday. Mela Lesmoras from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.